Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is bidding. Okay, so the Alice, Bob and Charlie are bidding of an artifact at an auction. So Alice bids A rupees, Bob bids B rupees and Charlie bids C rupees. So according to the rules of auction, the person who has highest bid amount will be win the auction. So you just have to determine that which one of the has win the auction. So there is given a price of Alice, Bob and Charlie. Okay, so here is given a price and you have to find that which one of them has won the. So there is 200, 100 and 400. So who has won the match? So the Charlie C has won the match. In the same way, there is given example of 155,000, 155,000 and 1556. So which has won the match? Of course, Charlie has again won the match. No, it is 1556. Not, it is only 556. So the Bob has won the match. Okay, so you just have to print that which one of them has won the match. Okay, so first you have to take input. First you have to do, let's try to see the code here. X, Y, sorry, I will take ABC. Okay, A, B, C. You just have to do C N A, C N B and C N C. Okay, you just have to do input of C N A, B and C, and you have to check if A is greater than or B and A is also greater than C. Then you just have to do Cout Alice. Okay, and else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then you just have to do Cout Bob. Okay, else you just have to print Charlie. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to do int t, which is the number of test cases, and then cnt while t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you just have to do int a, comma b, comma c, and then you just have to do cn a, cn b, cn c, and then you have to check if a is greater than b and b is greater than c. Then you just have to do Cout Alice. Okay, I just have to print Alice. Else if b is greater than a and b is greater than c, it's b not b, then you just have to do Cout Bob. Okay, else you just have to do Cout Charlie. So let's run this code. I have to do endl here also. So let's run this code. Let's again run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.